In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Shopify to Amazon. By the end, you'll be able to list products on Amazon, keep inventory in sync, and manage Amazon orders right inside Shopify. We'll begin in your Shopify admin. Open the Shopify App Store and install the LitCommerce app. LitCommerce is a multi-channel selling tool that connects your Shopify catalog with marketplaces like Amazon. During installation, follow the prompts and grant the necessary permissions so the app can access your products and orders. Next, open LitCommerce from your Shopify admin and connect your Amazon seller account. Choose Connect Channel, select Amazon, sign in to Seller Central, and authorize the connection. You'll need an active Amazon Seller Central account for listings to work properly. Make sure you choose the correct Amazon Marketplace region to match where you plan to sell. With the connection in place, pick the Shopify products you want to sell on Amazon. In LitCommerce, select your items and either list them right away or add them as drafts if you want to fine-tune details first. If you're just getting started, it's smart to begin with a small group so you can verify everything looks right. Before publishing, review your Amazon listing details. Double-check titles, descriptions, images, pricing, quantities, and product identifiers such as UPC, EAN, or GTN. LitCommerce provides bulk edit templates and automation rules, which can save a lot of time if you have many products. Aim for clear titles and complete product data to speed up Amazon approval. When you're ready, click Save and Publish. LitCommerce will submit your listings to Amazon. Once Amazon approves them, they'll go live on the marketplace. If you already sell on Amazon, you can pull your existing Amazon listings into LitCommerce and match them with the corresponding Shopify products. This prevents duplicates and ensures inventory stays synchronized across both platforms. To keep everything aligned automatically, enable AutoSync in LitCommerce. Turn on synchronization for inventory, prices, orders, and product details. This reduces manual updates and helps you avoid overselling. Confirm your Shopify stock levels are accurate before you switch syncing on. With AutoSync enabled, your Amazon orders can be imported into Shopify so you can manage them from one dashboard. This centralizes your workflow and simplifies fulfillment. Linking Shopify to Amazon helps you reach millions of Amazon customers, sync inventory automatically, manage orders in one place, reduce overselling, and save time with bulk editing. You'll need an active Shopify store, an active Amazon Seller Central account, valid UPC or GTIN codes unless exempt, and any required approvals for restricted categories. If you prefer a different tool, alternatives include Said e-commerce, Amazon Channel, and Codisto, also known as Shopify Marketplace Connect.
Start by listing a few products first. Verify titles, pricing, and fulfillment settings before publishing your full catalog. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.